Hi guys, my name is Govind Chandak and I am the business head of NSDM India. We are a premium digital marketing and data science training company offering both online and offline modes of learning. So today we are going to learn everything about LinkedIn, right from how do you create your profile to how should you optimize your profile to how you should grow your network on LinkedIn, and secondly how you can find jobs on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a very powerful social media platform. So if you are wasting your time by liking the photos and videos of your friends and family on Instagram or Facebook, I request you to join one more social media network into your bandwagon, that is LinkedIn. So if you're a student and really want to make big in your career, make sure that you're watching this video till end and not missing any single part. Let me just take you directly to my laptop screen to help you further. Tell you how you can make a LinkedIn profile and what are the steps that you should be taking while optimizing your profile. So आप लोग linkedin.com पे जा सकते हो और वहां से जाके आप साइन इन कर सकते हो. You can sign up into the profile या फिर ऑप्शन है आपके पास Gmail के थ्रू भी साइन इन करने का. Once you do the signing, आपको सबसे पहली चीज जो करनी है वो आपको ये करना है कि आपको अपना प्रोफाइल एडिट करना है. ओके, एडिट द प्रोफाइल मैं टॉप से शुरू करूंगा. नंबर 1, यू कैन ऐड अ कवर फोटो ओवर हियर जो आपको ब्लू सेक्शन दिख रहा है. ये कवर फोटो शुड बी इन सच अ वे दैट इट इज डिपिक्टिंग योर प्रोफेशनल लाइफ कि आप एग्जैक्टली क्या हो. या फिर सेकेंडली यू कैन ऑल्सो अपलोड योर प्रोफाइल फोटो ओवर हियर. सो गाइस, जब भी आप प्रोफाइल फोटो अपलोड करेंगे प्लीज मेक श्योर दैट द फोटो इज प्रोफेशनल. Okay, LinkedIn is a very serious channel. Don't treat it like Instagram or Facebook. Whatever your name is, ABCXYZ, put up your name directly. जैसे मेरा नाम गोविंद चांडक है, आप directly अपना नाम यहाँ पे डालिए. जैसे Instagram पे मैं कई बार देखता हूँ कि for example एक नाम दे दिया ब्यूटीफुल प्रिया, फिर दूसरा नाम दे दिया bear with me _ मुकेश. नहीं, ये सब नहीं करना. Don't treat it like Instagram. Reiterating, यहाँ पे जो भी आपका नाम है वो आएगा. The next part guys is your title. This part, title. टाइटल में डायरेक्टली दिखना चाहिए. टाइटल में डायरेक्टली दिखना चाहिए कि आप क्या कर रहे हो. What are you into as of now? What are you into as of now? And आप आगे what are you expecting out of people? So for example मैंने डाला ex-Merkle Socrates Dentsu business head PPC expert and consultant etc. अगर आप एक स्टूडेंट है तो आप क्या डाल सकते हैं? आप ऐसे डाल सकते हैं कि for example I am a let's say computer science engineering graduate 2020 और if you are going to pass out, अगर आप pass out हो तो graduate लिख सकते हो. या फिर अगर आप you are going to pass out या फिर electrical engineering graduate 2020 pipe, ये जो यहाँ पे लाइन दिख रही है, this is pipe का symbol. Pipe seeking entry level opportunities in let's say digital marketing field, or if you are in fresher so you can like seeking internships or entry level opportunities in software testing, software development etc. Okay, the next part that comes is your about section. ये बहुत important part है guys. ओके, अगर आप किसी को भी कनेक्शन रिक्वेस्ट भेजते हो, द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट दे विल सी इज योर अबाउट सेक्शन. तो आपको अपना अबाउट सेक्शन एकदम नीट एंड टाइट रखना है. अब क्वेश्चन आता है कि अबाउट सेक्शन में डालना क्या क्या है. देखिए, अबाउट सेक्शन कम से कम 300 वर्ड्स का होना चाहिए. मिनिमम द अबाउट सेक्शन शुड बी 300 वर्ड्स. मैक्सिमम 1000 वर्ड्स तक जा सकता है, बट एकदम बड़ा ऐसे मत लिखिए. पुट इट वेरी क्रिस्प एंड वेरी क्रिस्प एंड एलिगेंट टू लुक. ओके, सो मिनिमम 300 वर्ड्स आपको लिखना है. यू नीड टू राइट डाउन योर अबाउट योर प्रोफाइल. So whatever you will write down, number 1 you will write down about your education. Number 2 you will write down any kind of projects or something that you have done. Okay. Number 3 you can write down about any kind of internships or certifications that you have done. Okay. Number 4 you can write down any workshops that you have attended or any upskilling that you have done. And number 5 and most important, you have to write down why people should reach out to you. यानी लोग आपके पास क्यों आए. Okay, so that is something that you need to write in. जैसे मैंने उसी के वैसे ही लिखा है मेरी प्रोफाइल के बारे में. वर्क विद 20+ आइकॉनिक ब्रांड्स इन इंडिया, सिंगापुर, MEA एंड साउथ ईस्ट एशिया, मैनेज हाई पोटेंशियल टीम एंड एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा. एंड देन रीच मी आउट फॉर डिजिटल मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटजी एंड कंसल्टेंसी, ट्रेनिंग फॉर कॉर्पोरेट्स एंड इंस्टीट्यूशन एंड सो ऑन. ओके, जब भी आप अबाउट सेक्शन लिखिएगा गाइस, प्लीज ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, डू नॉट कॉपी एनीवन. किसी को भी कॉपी पेस्ट मत करो, क्योंकि अगर आप कॉपी पेस्ट करोगे तो जब आप बात करते हो ना तो समझ में आ जाता है. रिक्रूटर्स आर नॉट वो पागल लोग नहीं है, उनको समझ में आ जाता है. ओके, सो जब भी आप लोग अपना अबाउट सेक्शन लिखिए, आप किसी और के प्रोफाइल से भले इंस्पिरेशन ले सकते हैं, लेकिन कॉपी पेस्ट आप नहीं करेंगे. डू नॉट डू एनी काइंड ऑफ कॉपी पेस्टिंग थिंग्स. व्हाट कम्स इज अबाउट योर एक्सपीरियंसेस. ओके, योर एक्सपीरियंसेस एंड योर एजुकेशन, व्हाटएवर एजुकेशन दैट यू हैव. And the most important part is about skills and endorsements. Okay, so guys, add minimum 20 to 25 skills. You need to add a minimum of 20 to 25 skills. Put it every skill that you have, put it all the upskilling, जितनी भी आपकी upskilling है, put all the things and try to get more and more endorsements or recommendations onto yourself. एंडोर्समेंट का मतलब क्या है? एंडोर्समेंट का मतलब है लेट्स से अगर मैं आपको एंडोर्स कर रहा हूँ, इसका मतलब यू आर द बेस्ट इन दिस। अगर लेट्स से आप एक स्टूडेंट हैं, मैं आपको एंडोर्स कर रहा हूँ सॉफ्टवेयर टेस्टिंग के लिए, तो मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ कि दिस XYZ स्टूडेंट इज बेस्ट इन सॉफ्टवेयर टेस्टिंग। ये पता, जब आप जॉब्स के लिए अप्लाई करते हो तो ये एंडोर्समेंट्स का काफी फर्क पड़ता है। इससे ट्रस्ट बिल्डअप होता है कि नहीं, इस इंसान को कुछ आता है तो ही माइट बी अ गुड गाय एंड रिक्रूटर्स पिक यू अप इजीली। ओके, तो एंडोर्समेंट सही रखना बहुत जरूरी है। ऐड 20 to 25 स्किल्स एंड देन टेक रिकमेंडेशंस ऑन इट। ठीक है, आप यहां से आस्क फॉर अ रिकमेंडेशन कर सकते हो। ओके, यू कैन पुट इट यहां से आस्क फॉर अ रिकमेंडेशन। सो फॉर एग्जांपल आई गो हियर एंड आई क्लिक ऑन आस्क फॉर अ रिकमेंडेशन। ओके, एंड जिसका भी रिकमेंडेशन आपको लेना है, जिसका भी आपको रिकमेंडेशन आपको चाहिए, आप उनका यहाँ पे नाम टाइप करेंगे। दैट्स इट। ओके, इट इज वेरी इजी। So guys, this is how you optimize on the profile. Please focus on the about section and your experience. Internship कुछ भी अगर आपने करी है, आप अपने डॉक्यूमेंट्स भी यहाँ पे अपलोड कर सकते हो, अपना CV एंड रेज्यूम। ओके, आप अपने सर्टिफिकेट्स भी अपलोड कर सकते हो, जो भी सर्टिफिकेट्स आपने किए हुए हैं, एवरीथिंग, जो भी चीजें आपकी करियर ओरिएंटेड है, टेक्निकली रिलेटेड है, पुट इट एवरीथिंग ऑन LinkedIn and focus more majorly into about section and other stuff, because the first thing that recruiter will do is come and check your LinkedIn profile. Hi guys, I hope that you have already made your LinkedIn profile by looking at the previous video. In this video, we are going to talk about how to build connections, and grow your network. So first of all, define which is your target audience, to whom people you want to connect. जैसे अगर आप लोग एक student है तो the major target audience that you will have is number one, people coming from human resources background, and let's say जो startup founders है या फिर जो company owners है, for upgrading your knowledge base. So let's say you want to connect with all the startup founders. So I'll go in the search panel, I'll just type HR and I'll hit enter. You will get the list of all the HR people. Okay, you can filter them via people and using locations as well. Let's say if you want to connect with the HRs of particular location, let's say to start with only Pune, I'll just put Pune and I'll hit apply. So I'll get the list of all the HRs where you can send a connection request to them. Same way you can go for founders. You can go to founder and hit enter, and the people area, and then you can connect to other accordingly. So you filter them via people and using locations as well. Let's say if you want to connect with the HRs of particular location, let's say to start with only Pune, I'll just put Pune and I'll hit apply. So I'll get the list of all the HRs where you can send a connection request to them. Okay. So this is how the thing is. So guys, always have a normal rule, a thumb rule, that send 10 connection requests every day to the people who are into your prospect audience. Okay, so you have to connect with your fellow friends. That is absolutely for sure. आप अपने friends के साथ भी connect करेंगे, but second most important thing, send 10 connection requests every day to your target audience. In this way, let's say if you're sending minimum 10 connections every day to HRs, over a month you will have a pool of 300 HRs. Okay, and you just put up one request and that, hi, I'm looking forward for a job in XYZ domain. You might get comments from this HRs like to send your CV. Guys, once you send the connection request to the HR or to the founder, please do not directly jump into giving them an inbox. Hey, ma'am, ma'am or sir, do you have any job for me? Can you please look into my profile? No, that looks really very shabby. Okay, so that is not a point of proper etiquette. So what you need to do, you need to first nurture connection with them. Okay, you need to first nurture connection with them. You can like their post or comment on their post. In that way, you will have your name into their eyes. And once you're done with the nurturing connection with them, then send in quite cold inbox. The third part, guys, in this video, we will talk about how you should hunt for the jobs on LinkedIn. So let's say you will go to this job section. Let's say I want to search jobs in digital marketing. I'll just go here in the search panel and I'll just type digital marketing. And I'll put up location as India. Let's say I want to put up location as India. So you will see there are more than 14,000 jobs in India for digital marketing as of now. Now I'll filter it. Let's say you are a student or on entry level, you are a fresher, you want to apply. I'll put up a experience level as internship and entry level. And if you want to see the fresh jobs, let's say मैंने date posted में filter लगाया past 1 week. So I have nearly 537 results. So that is the case, guys. Now problem क्या होती है कि we said कि यार jobs नहीं है, jobs available नहीं है. नहीं, jobs are there. The point is कि हमें सही तरीके से ढूंढना नहीं आता है. Okay, and this is a great way to look for the jobs.
So guys, this is one hack. The second hack, I call it as a search operator hack. So for this, I'll go to my home screen and let's say I'll put up the search operator in such a way that the recruiters are putting up. So let's say I would just put up looking for digital marketing. तो कोई भी recruiter ऐसा ही post डालेगा if he's looking for any kind of digital marketing intern. So I'll just put this, I need enter. Now I'll go to content. So people who have posted this into their content. And yes, now you have got it. So Fincore Analytics is looking for server interns, digital marketing 3 interns, you have got it. 1 lead. We're looking forward to connect with, you have got it. 2nd lead. Okay. We are looking for candidates for multiple positions. देखो इतनी सारी positions available है इनके पास में. Out of that, let's say data intern is 1, software developer is 1, remote social media intern, digital marketing intern is 1. Got a 2nd lead. Fincore Analytics, we have seen this. The other openings are loading. Looking for an intern to join e-commerce company for 4 months. You got a 3rd lead. Yeah, immediate joiners, work from home available. Okay, then again you got a next lead. So within seconds that we were talking, you got nearly. So in this way, guys, you can get the lead, you can hit on for them, and then if your profile matches, then they will surely call you for an interview or for your further processes. So guys, that is the point. You should hunt the jobs in a right way. Okay, and LinkedIn is a great platform to go ahead and hunt for jobs.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any queries or doubts, you can put in the comment section below. Also, you can get in touch with me on LinkedIn and let me know if you are facing any queries. Also, please keep me posted what else you would like to hear it from me so that I can help you with 2x power videos every week. Thank you so much for watching.
5 leads. So